So hey guys, what's up? I'm Arjit, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to turn on this option, that is ultra data saving mode, in any Samsung phone if you have. So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here, if you want to do that, first of all, of course, you need a Samsung phone, because this option, this method is applicable only for a Samsung device, not for any other device. So here, as you can see, I have this Samsung device, and as you can see, it is here. And let me just swipe down, and here in the control panel, you are going to see that there is an option called ultra data saving. You just simply have to press and hold this option for 1 or 2 seconds, then you are going to see this page will open in front of you. As you can see, you have not started saving data yet, so this is what it is. And just simply you have to click on this option, start saving, or you can simply click on this option and it will activate it. But currently I am not able to turning it on, because as you can also see, insert a SIM to use this mode, because I have no SIM inserted here in my this device, because I use it only with my Wi-Fi. So that's why I'm not able to turn this on here in my device. But if you were having this phone or any Samsung phone, and if you have SIM inserted, then definitely by this method you were able to turn this option or turn this mode on successfully without any problem. So friends, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscription, and share it with all of your friends and family, so they can also watch it and learn something new, if not they already learned. So hope to see all of you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.